Hey guys, I'm live here at the new location I told you that I will be today, right? In my last video I told you I'll be in a new location where we are launching our new property. That property I told you that we'll be launching is right here. Are you seeing the road? We just opened the road. We are still working on the road. It's right here. Now, these are people's buildings. Someone is living here. Someone is living there. These are our neighbors in this new property. Now, the name of this new property is the Bridge Estate, Port-Harcourt. Now, the location here is Oyibo, which other people call it Oyibo, right? It's a buy and build environment and 247 electricity. Look at this fence. Are you seeing that light? It's 247. There's electricity here, 247. And the very interesting part of it is that you don't get to pay for this electricity. It is free of charge, courtesy of the Afam power plant, which is behind us right there. When you live in this environment, you will be having electricity free of charge. The Bridge Estate is one property you don't want to miss. The Bridge Estate